Hey, thanks for tuning into this video. On this video today, we're going to actually install my Bulletproof Mounting Solutions cell phone and GoPro bracket. I got it in a couple weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago. I did an unboxing video and I was planning on doing a really cool video of me installing it, but some things happened in the world and it made me have to do other things, like watch my children. But I did get some time this past weekend and I got it installed, got it on my JK, and it was a super easy install. You're only going to need like a couple of things to complete it. 7mm socket and wrench with an extender on it, just so you can get into where that bolt is. It's a little bit longer area to get to, so you don't want to do it with a short one. Get a long extender on top of that wrench. That's pretty much it. You're going to clean the surface area really well. Other than that, man, it's a pretty simple install. Even I couldn't screw it up, and I screw up everything. Just ask my wife. So anyways, prepare yourselves for another horrible install video by yours truly. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more horrible videos that I may or may not do soon or later. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. See you later. Okay, and here we go. I've cleaned off everything here. I'm using the 7mm socket wrench here to take out that bolt. As you saw, I already did that, but it's already off. And now I am just inspecting our Bulletproof Mounting Solutions bracket. The red tape you just see there is where the two-way tape is being connected. I'm going to pull that off right here. And once I get it pulled off, I am going to put back in the screw to give me some sort of guideline on how to put it back in. And then we'll press it in as hard as we can. Okay, tape is off. Okay, I'll tighten that. Okay, then we'll put the 7mm on there, we'll tighten it up. Don't go too tight because it is just plastic dash. I'll just hold it in place here and let that get nice. Go. Putting the GoPro on. Okay, I'm just getting the GoPro bracket on here. This is a great spot too for, when you mount that GoPro, you can see right at the windshield. So if you're off doing some trails or whatnot, you can get a really good video of that from the perspective of your windshield. Good POV kind of spot for it. It's also great to have if you're going to do like a vlog right from your Jeep. I've done it a couple times on a different mount that wasn't quite as good, so I'm looking forward to mounting my GoPro on here and maybe doing like a Jeep vlog, some more of those in the future. So it's pretty tight, got on here pretty darn tight, doesn't seem to be moving, which is excellent. Alright, now I'm going to mount the cell phone mount here. These things go on pretty darn easy. There's just a ball mount here, so you're just going to loosen that off there, get it over the ball, then tighten it down into a position that you'd like. It moves up and down or side to side depending on how you set up the arm. So what I'm doing here is just trying to move it all the way over. I've got a pretty darn big phone. I got a Samsung like A71, so it's quite large, and I'm trying to get it out of the way of my big huge gorilla hands here. So I'm going to move it as far over as I possibly can so I don't hit it with my steering wheel. Like when I'm moving my hands over the steering wheel, I don't want to hit it. Here we go, it's all installed. I've got my Samsung phone there with the GoPro set up for vlogging. Freaking thing looks awesome. So stout, doesn't move, it's very clean, love the design. Guys who are Bulletproof did a great job. I have a drone, so I thought, why not? Let's use it. Alright, let's give this a shot. Let's see what this is like. my Bulletproof Mounting Solutions GoPro mounting cell phone now. Let's check it out. Let's go around the neighborhood real quick. See how the stability is on the GoPro. My cell phone's not even moving. I've got it linked to my GoPro so I can see how pretty I look. God, I don't look pretty. Anyway, yeah, so far so good. This thing doesn't seem to be moving at all. Hope you can hear me. I've got a external mic hooked up to the GoPro. Yeah, we'll see what we got going. We'll see how this works out. I'm just gonna go around the block here. It's kind of bouncy on this road, so we'll see how that works out with the video. Again, this is a pretty good mounting system. I like the fact that I can just throw my phone up here now and not have it in my pocket, which is so annoying because it falls out and slides into my freaking seats in the Jeep. Everyone knows what that's like. GoPro seems to be working. Just as I say that, it stops. It stops working through my link from my Samsung phone to my GoPro. Anyways, it seems to be working okay as far as stability and where the mount is concerned. I like that. Works pretty good. Anyways, that was it. I'm around the block here. I'm almost home. Again, thank you for watching this horrible install video, and I hope that if you're looking for a mounting solution, no pun intended, for your phone and GoPro, I would probably look at Bulletproof. Their prices are great. The guys there are super nice, and it came pretty darn quick. And I'm up in Canada, and it still came pretty darn quick. Alright, so here we are. I'm coming back home. Again, thank you for watching, and thank you, anyone who subscribes to this channel. Thank you so much. I will make some more videos for you guys to make fun of. Thanks. Have a great day.